Welcome back to my world here on the internet. I'm your host, Moises Beauchamp Jr., dedicated father of two, passionate about teaching this online hustle to others who are interested in learning. Today what I got is the last day of the $0 website deal. My good peoples, today is the last day of this deal. Alright, today is the last day. All you need to have is a domain, website hosting, and pay a monthly website maintenance fee. Let me know 30 days in advance if you're going to cancel out of courtesy, because there's things that I pay for here on the back end on a monthly basis that, it would be nice to know ahead of time so I could cancel them things ahead of time. What you going to be getting is a one-page WordPress website designed by me, a website domain, which you pay for the year, and is included in the price. Hosting is also included in your monthly fee, and I will maintenance it for you every day for that same fee, and you will get a bonus Facebook business page as a bonus. And your price today is absolutely $0. I will charge you for the domain fee and the hosting and the maintenance fees when I turn in the website to you. That's when I will charge you the fees, which is only $75 a month. Alright, all starts from a sketch on a piece of paper. Normally I charge $250 a month, but for this deal here, the $0 website deal is only $75 a month for the hosting and maintenance fees. Alright, you get a full one-page website with a capture form, thank you page. Okay. And like I said, a bonus Facebook business page. So with that said, my good friends, I look forward to working with you in the future. I'm your host, once again, Moises Beauchamp Jr. If you want to learn how to do this yourself, you could visit www.simplyeasycashsystem.com. This is where I learned everything that I know. With that said, my good friends, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Y'all make it a phenomenal day. It's a little chilly on this fine Wednesday, March 17th of 2021. It's a little chilly out there, but nonetheless, it's still a beautiful day. Y'all make it a good one. Peace.